Aditya and I to announce कि हम लोग एक food यात्रा पे जा रहे हैं. Road trip के आसपास ही है. Of course, we are leaving from Bombay and we are going all the way to Chandigarh on a food यात्रा. जहाँ पे हम लोग किसी भी दिन जहाँ पर भी हैं, based on your suggestions, जो special चीजें हैं खाने के लिए, that we will be trying. So we are going all over India.
And more than promotions for Pariniti and me, I think it's a childhood dream that we're getting to live for free, for in the name of promotions for the film. I think we're both really big foodies, and there's nothing better I could ask for than just being paid to go and eat everywhere in our country. So that's we're very excited about it.
Yeah, we are excited, but the marketing team is not telling us exactly where they are taking us. We know a few cities, of course. We know that we are going to Ahmedabad, we're going to Surat, we're going to Delhi, we're ending in Chandigarh for sure. Baroda is there, Agra is there. So there are many, many cities that we are visiting by road. So हम लोग गाड़ी से निकलने वाले हैं और पता नहीं कितने दिन लगने वाले हैं हमें खत्म करने के लिए.
Correct.
But जब तक नहीं होता, we will keep going. And we on Twitter, social media, through you guys, we're going to ask people to tell us where we should go. So, supposing हम Bombay से शुरू कर रहे हैं, तो we will ask you guys to tell us where we should go and eat. The best vada pav, the best ice cream, the best lassi, the best whatever. And based on you guys, we will go.
We're starting off at Cafe Madras.
Yeah,
right?
we know the start and end point, that's for sure. But the rest, you'll have to contact YRF marketing team. You all know them. They're not telling us anything. They're just saying, keep quiet, pack your bags and go. So, Cafe Madras is the first one. We've heard a lot about it, and we obviously want to start early in the morning. So we said, best breakfast place in Bombay kahan hai? So we are starting in Matunga. So you all are invited. Please come, eat with us. We are only eating for the next few days.
This is going to be
a crazy
tough
trip.
job.
This film has been very tough for us in many ways.
As you can see. Okay. So that's pretty much what we're doing, right? Anything else you forgot to mention?
Any questions, please, you can ask us anytime. Not that we have answers.
Yeah, and we're also going to be tracked throughout this whole trip. So anytime you guys want to, anyone wants to know where we are. Exactly, you guys can track us, which is very interesting and scary at the same time.
Which is very scary, because it's not like we can say हम लोग Delhi में और हम कहीं और होंगे. So we are going to be tracked on dawat-e-ishq.com. So anytime you can just go online and say, आज Aditya और Pariniti कहाँ हैं, and we can. Also, we are not really announcing where we are coming, so we'll just show up.
मैं VJ था for 4.5 years, and at that time I had no ideas I wanted to be an actor. My first 3 films I played supporting roles, but वो experiences बहुत ही amazing experiences थे, learning experience थे मेरे लिए. Actually गुजारिश के shoot के बाद मुझे पता चला actually कि मुझे acting करना है. So I never came into the industry feeling like I wanted to become an actor for sure. It took its own time, but it's worth the wait. So I'm happy. Yeah.
हाँ, मैं खुद 2-3 ट्रिप्स कर चुकी हूँ, बट वो थोड़ी ज़्यादा प्लान्ड थी इस रोड ट्रिप से भी, क्योंकि we knew exactly where we were stopping when. लेकिन यहाँ पे तो I think we are just going to leave, and then जहाँ पर भी हम लोग रात तक पहुँचे, we're going to stay there, and then next day we'll get up and we'll just leave. So we're going to like kind of leave things to chance, which is very exciting. But I have been on road trips and it was very cool. क्योंकि आपको पता नहीं होता आप रात तक कहाँ पहुँचेंगे, आप कहाँ पे लंच करेंगे, कहाँ ब्रेकफास्ट करेंगे. It's really cool. मतलब और कोई option नहीं होता है but to just keep driving. So I'm very excited to drive also actually. As opposed to
I'm
some
not excited
people
about
who
driving.
think that girls can't drive.
I
will be driving a lot on this trip.
I don't want to find out the hard way that girls can't drive, so let's see.
You will be sitting in that car with me and you will see my talent.
I'll take a sleeping pillow.
हमने फैमिली फिल्म बनाई है और मैं बहुत टाइम के बाद ये कॉन्फिडेंटली कह सकती हूँ कि मेरी पिक्चर के लिए पूरी फैमिली आ सकती है. So very proudly I'm saying हाँ सबको लेके आओ, सबको लेके आओ. So नहीं सर, मैंने बहुत ही सरल तथा स्वच्छ पिक्चर में काम किया है थोड़े से टाइम के बाद. मैं बहुत सारे एक्टर्स के साथ काम करना चाहती हूँ. आई एम ग्लैड दैट ऑलरेडी आई हैव वर्कड विद सच कूल एक्टर्स. But my next film is with Ranveer, which is Kill Dil. And then after that, a film with Saif. But yes, I would love to work with Shah Rukh Khan. I would love to work with Salman. I would love to work with Ranbir. I really love Ranbir. I would love to work with Shahid. And I'd love to work with all of them again, yeah.
Even I'd love to work with
definitely.
them actually. Seriously.
Yeah, I'd love to work with them also again.
For more news and gossip, don't forget to subscribe to Bollywood Helpline.